Hello and welcome. I'm John S., the trainer, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Move tool and how to use the G key on the keyboard to move an object in Blender. First, let me set this up for you. First, I have opened a Blender new window, and I just want to get rid of that cube that's there. It's already selected, so what I can do is just touch the delete key on the keyboard after I selected it, and it'll be gone. So now I can add a mesh. Maybe I want to put in a UV sphere. That's one that looks like a golf ball. So that's in there now. Let's say I want to move it somewhere. I can't just move it by touching it because I have the select tool, the select box selected. So in order to move it, one thing I could do is just click the Move tool, and notice it has arrows that you can move it along directions, and it also has a center. If you click in the center, hold and drag it, you'll be able to move it to wherever you want to move it. You could also use the arrows. You see, if you click on an arrow, it'll move it along the Z-axis. If you click the red arrow, it'll move it along the X-axis. If you click the green arrow, it'll move you along the Y-axis. But let's say I want a quicker way to do this. So if I wanted to just, let me hit the escape key, and let's say I'm in the select mode now. I just logged into, or I just opened up Blender. And now let's say I want to move this somewhere. If I just hit the G on the keyboard, now I have free reign to move it anywhere I want. So that's just with G on the keyboard, it lets it loose. If you want to put it up here somewhere, you can certainly do that. But let's say I wanted to now move it along the axis. Well, I've already released it with the G. So let's say I wanted to move it along the X-axis. Now I can move it along the X-axis. Let's say I wanted to move it along the Y-axis. Now I can move it on the Y just by pressing the keyboard for X, or for Y, or for Z. So you notice after I use the keyboard shortcut G to release it, I'll just use the X, Y, and Z to move it in the place I want. When I have it in the area I want it to be in, I'll just click it, and that will release it so it will be in that area. And that's how you move an object around in the 3D viewport. Thanks for watching.